Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you're watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in a 4-hour time frame first. So here you can see how the natural gas futures started an uptrend from the levels of $2.463 on April 7, 2021, and from here you can see how the natural gas futures have been maintaining an uptrend when they first time tested resistance at the levels of $2.760 on April 20th and found some profit booking here, and once again the natural gas futures continued this uptrend on April 22nd, and this uptrend turned into a steep uptrend on April 22nd when the natural gas futures created a gap here. So here you can see that how a gap up opening on April 26 boosted this uptrend when the natural gas futures tested a high at the levels of $2.987 on April 28, and here the natural gas futures faced some resistance and found some selling here, and here you can see that how the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of $2.885 on April 29. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures regained their strength once again on April 29th, and here you can see that how the natural gas futures closed the week at the levels of $2.938. So here I find that this trend seems to be continue during the upcoming week, where once again we could see a gap on the first trading session of the upcoming week, where I find that this U-shaped recovery could create a gap up on the first trading session. Friends, here I find that the probabilities for a gap opening around 70%, whereas a gap down opening could be there, where the probabilities are around 30%. So friends, here I find that a gap up opening or a gap down opening could change the whole situation during the upcoming week, where the natural gas futures could remain very volatile. So friends, now let us check this move in 1 hour time frame. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures continued to maintain an uptrend since April 22nd, when a gap up opening on April 23rd boosted this uptrend, from where the natural gas futures continued to move upward up to the levels of $2.987. But after facing this resistance, natural gas futures remained under some bearish pressure, where you can see that the formation of this exhaustive candle on April 29th followed by a bearish candle looks evident enough for keeping the natural gas futures under pressure till April 30th, when the natural gas once again regained its strength and tested $2.968 and finally closed the day at the levels of $2.938. This move of natural gas futures in an hour time frame looks evident enough of a U-shaped recovery. So friends, here I find that this could result in a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, where the natural gas futures could start the upcoming week above the levels of $3.081. Friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures start with a huge gap above the levels of $3, which is a psychological resistance, the natural gas futures could test the highs of $3.137, from where we could see a sharp fall from here. So friends, here I would prefer to go short above the levels of $3.157, and here I find that the natural gas futures could remain under heavy bearish pressure below the levels of $3. So friends, here I find that we could see sharp sell-off from these levels, and the selling could continue up to the levels of $2.888, where the natural gas futures have a strong support at these levels. We could see a sharp upward move which could continue to remain during the upcoming week, where the natural gas futures could once again test the levels of $3.2 during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming week with a gap down opening, natural gas futures could test the lows of $2.721 during the upcoming week, where this will provide a good opportunity to go long. Here the natural gas futures could sustain for some time from where the Nigeria switches could take a sharp upward move once again, where the Nigeria switches could try to test the levels of the 3.108 once again. So friends, here I find that the Nigeria switches could show highly volatile moves during the upcoming week. So friends, be ready to see an action in Nigeria switches. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.